In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Vinted. If your inbox is getting crowded with updates from Vinted, this quick walkthrough will help you switch off email notifications so you only check messages when you want to. I'll be using the website, and the steps should look very similar whether you're on a laptop or a desktop browser. First, open your browser and go to vinted.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that you're logged into your account. If you're not signed in, the options we need won't appear. So check the top right corner to confirm you see your profile area. Next, click the profile icon in the top right. It usually looks like a small avatar or your profile photo. When you click it, a drop-down menu will open. This is where Vinted keeps your account controls, and it's the quickest route to the settings we need. If the menu doesn't appear right away, try clicking once more or resize your window so the top navigation isn't compressed. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This takes you to your account management page where you can adjust things like privacy, security, and communication preferences. We'll stay focused on notifications today, but it's good to know that this is the central place for most account changes. Inside Settings, find and select Notifications. This section groups all the ways Vinted keeps you updated, including email, push, and sometimes in-app alerts. Opening it ensures we're only changing how Vinted reaches you, not anything else in your account. Finally, turn off Enable Email Notifications. You'll see a toggle or checkbox for email notifications. Switch it off so it's clearly disabled. On many accounts, the change saves automatically. If you see a save button or a prompt to confirm, go ahead and confirm to apply the update. Once this is off, Vinted will stop sending you emails about activity, offers, or updates. You'll still be able to check your notifications directly on the site whenever you log in, and you can revisit this page at any time to re-enable emails if you change your mind. A quick recap. Go to vinted.com, click the profile icon at the top right, open Settings, head to Notifications, and turn off Enable Email Notifications. That's all you need to cut down on inbox clutter while keeping full control over your account activity. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to share it with someone who wants a calmer inbox.